Hi, I'm Kevin Duffy, and this is my presentation on chimpanzee warfare. Chimpanzee behavior. Most chimpanzees are very social animals that typically form social bonds and relationships in small groups, essentially becoming a tribe or a family. Much like us humans, our closest relative, the chimpanzee, feel real and powerful emotions, like being scared, excited, sad, or even angry. Chimps have strong, tight knit social groups that they can defend and protect if needed. There is a lot of evidence that chimpanzees participate in very intelligent hunts with their group. It has been observed that chimps have planned attacks on prey much like us humans do. Strategic hunting. Chimpanzee tribes usually hunt in a strategic way as a community. The hunting party can vary in size, mainly containing male chimps. There are also some cases of chimpanzee wielding weapons like sharpened sticks, much like a spear, to hunt very small prey hidden in trees. There is even evidence of multiple chimpanzees planning ambushes or attacks on their prey as a community. Tribalism. Chimpanzees roam around in groups or families much like us humans. Although chimpanzees are very social creatures, they have a very strong sense of tribalism. If you aren't part of the group, then you are indeed a threat. When two different groups of chimpanzees meet in the wild, it is more likely than not going to result in hostility between the two groups. These groups are usually cut up and divvied up by territory and numbers, much like how us humans have groups formed by territory and population, like countries. Primate aggression towards other apes. Not only do chimpanzees hunt to find small prey, but they also use the same techniques to hunt other tribes of chimpanzee that stand as a threat. Here we see five chimps ganging up on one injured chimp. The injured chimp seems to be a part of a different community, so the other five chimps assume he's a threat. Even after the monkeys calm down, they still have anger towards the outsider chimp. The Gombe Chimpanzee War. The Gombe Chimp War, otherwise known as the 4 Year War, between two communities of chimpanzee in the Gombe Stream National Park and in the Kigoma region of Tanzania. The two groups were once unified, but a large party separated themselves south. They consisted of 6 males and 3 females. They were called the Kahama community. The original Kasakela community now only had 8 males and 12 females. The end result was a 4 year conflict where all the Kahama men were killed, while the winning community, Kasakela, invaded their territory and took all their women. Primate Wars.
The attack is on. To intimidate their opponents, the aggressors scream and drum on buttress roots. Several males corner an enemy female. It's a ferocious attack, and she's lucky to escape with her life. Others are not so fortunate.
Comparison to humans. Humans show a lot of the same violent qualities like murder, beatings, and war that is shown in their species as well. Instead of two countries attacking each other for resources, power, greed, and territory, it is two chimpanzee tribes attacking each other for food, mates, and territory. Another huge similarity is the fact that chimps find solid families and close friend groups, which they protect and defend, much like how humans tend to collect into core groups like families and close core friends. Is war and violence an evolutionary trait? With all of these similarities to humans and chimpanzees, violent behaviors in favor of protecting the tribe, family, or country, we must ask the question, is war a symptom of evolution? In many ways, there is no other solution. It makes complete sense that the reason why you have this love for your own family or close friend group, like all people do, is because of the tribalistic trait. In the wild, it is impossible for a lone chimpanzee to survive against a predator. But when a group is there, it increases the chance of survival, which increases the chances of the gene to spread, which makes you tribalistic. The end. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.